Hey there! If you are in the food and beverage industry and looking to grow your business, this tutorial is for you. I will show you how to easily build a professional restaurant website using Spread Simple templates. No coding needed. With just Google Sheets and Spread Simple's powerful no-code tools, you can create a slick, feature-packed website in no time. Let's dive in and see how simple it really is. If you want to go directly to the website building process, skip this part and proceed to the next step called Creating your website with Spread Simple. Nowadays, having a website for your restaurant is not just a fancy wish, but an actual necessity, and here are the main reasons why. Increased visibility. A website allows you to reach a much wider audience than just passers-by. Future customers can find you through search engines and social media platforms. Credibility. A polished, professional-looking website instantly builds trust and shows customers that your restaurant is a reliable and a serious business. Menu accessibility. A website allows customers to access your menu anytime from anywhere, making it easier for them to decide when and what to order. Online ordering. With a website, you can offer online ordering and delivery options, boosting both your sales and customer convenience by making your food more accessible. Customer engagement. A website enables you to connect with your customers through email newsletters, social media integration, and online reviews, fostering loyalty and encouraging repeat visits. All in all, having a website is a game changer for any restaurant that wants to grow, attract more guests, and stay connected with its customers. Let's get started by picking a template that suits our project. We will go with the sushi restaurant template. In the preview, you can already see how the site will look, with an intro section, text description blocks, shopping cart, customizable order form, sorting, etc. The data is pulled directly from a connected Google spreadsheet, and you will manage everything easily from the Content tab. Click on Start with this template. You will be directed to the Spread Simple dashboard, and if you don't have an account yet, you'll be first offered to create one using your Google ID. Upon clicking on Create, you will proceed to the website editor, where all the no-code magic happens. Let's make your homepage shine. Start by heading to the Design tab on the left. Here, you can upload your restaurant image, update the title and subtitle, and add your homepage content. It can highlight your restaurant's culinary philosophy, for example. Don't forget to upload your logo in the designated field. Next, choose your preferred layout and scroll down to the footer section. This is the perfect place to add your contact details, opening hours, or social media links. To connect your social media accounts, go to the Settings tab, click on Social Media, select the platform you want to include, and paste in your links. Then, return to the Footer section in the Design tab and toggle on Show Social Media Icons. As mentioned earlier, this sushi restaurant's website was created entirely without coding, just using a Google spreadsheet. All the menu data is stored there, including the name, type, portion size, calories, price, ingredients, and image for each item. Make sure to fill out each column carefully. Accuracy is key. especially when it comes to listing ingredients. Customers with allergies or dietary restrictions rely on this information to make safe and informed choices. Be sure to use images that are both appetizing and realistic. This helps set the right expectations. Remember, visuals play a big role in customer decisions. Once your photos are ready, use the Spread Simple image uploader to generate direct image links you can paste into your website source Google Sheet. It's quick and simple. We have even created a separate tutorial to walk you through the process. Be sure to check it out. I'd now like to customize details pages with extra information and bigger product images that every customer would appreciate. Simply add the information to the details pages by mapping the columns from the same source Google Sheet to the corresponding fields. If you're intending to add a bigger description, it's good to use HTML tags or Markdown to highlight and format the data. Check out the results and let's proceed to the next step. Give your website visitors a taste of your story by sharing the history of your restaurant, your mission statement, and any awards or recognitions you have earned along the way. Adding a personal touch, like introducing key members of your team, helps build a genuine connection with your audience and makes your restaurant feel warm and relatable. Use the inbuilt Markdown editor to create an About Us page with pictures, links, and interactive text blocks. Including reviews from satisfied customers is also very important. You can also add a Google Map or any other map to your website. For example, open Google Maps, find your location, copy the iframe code, and paste it to your website. Let's go to the checkout settings. I'll keep it short since we have already shared a detailed tutorial on our YouTube channel. Head there if you want the full walkthrough. In the meantime, here is what you can do. Customize the actions that happen when a customer adds an item to their cart. Tweak the titles and messages on the checkout page or pop-up, and personalize the success message they will see after placing an order. Here is a pro tip. Offer free delivery for orders over a certain amount to encourage bigger baskets. And don't forget to set up promo codes for holidays and special occasions. It's a simple but powerful way to boost customer loyalty. One super handy add-on I highly recommend is WhatsApp Orders to Chat. It's a great tool to increase your store's conversions by letting customers place orders directly through WhatsApp. Here is how it works. As soon as someone places an order, they can instantly start a chat with you, and you will receive all the order details in that very first message. Quick, easy, and personal. One more useful tip you will definitely want to try is creating a QR code for quick menu access. It's simple, just copy your menu's URL, head over to any free QR code generator online, paste the link and hit generate. Download the QR code image, print it out and place it wherever it's convenient, on tables, flyers or even takeaway packaging. It's quick and easy way to help your customers access the menu in seconds. It's not exactly a restaurant website suggestion, but rather a tip to improve your in-house operation. Simplicity in website building just reached a new level. Thanks to Spread Simple's new AI creator feature, all you need to do is type a simple prompt and the tool will take care of the rest. It's fast, effortless, and perfect for busy restaurant owners. Curious to see it in action? Watch our quick video tutorial and get started in minutes. By the way, if you enjoy the effortless process of website building with Spread Simple, you can now also earn financial profit. Join our affiliate program, recommend Spread Simple to your friends, and get 30%. Help promote our product and earn your reward. You will find the link below. And that's it. That's how you create a website for your restaurant. No coding required, just a simple Google spreadsheet and Spread Simple. If you are looking for more in-depth tips on how to build your website with Spread Simple, visit our help page and check other videos on our YouTube channel. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss a new tip. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!